Welcome, Radiant Soul. This is day 4 in our Sacred Current. It's a space where daily devotion meets divine remembering. By now, you may notice the pull of the old stories. Is this doing anything? Is this even working? Does this matter if I'm the only one who sees it? Let me remind you, yes, yes, and yes. The moment you choose to return to your truth, even silently, even invisibly, you become a transmitter of alignment. And alignment is louder than any algorithm. So if you're here today, showing up again, that is the miracle. That is the movement. So let's drop back in. Go ahead and close your eyes, soften your jaw, and unclench the grip of needing to get it right. Feel your body settle and place your hand on your heart and one on your low belly if it feels good to you. Start with your heart coherence breath, inhaling love and exhaling gratitude. Again, inhale love. Exhale gratitude. One more time. Inhale love. Exhale gratitude. Remember, when we can start with that stillness point in our breath, attaching to and vibrating with a frequency of love and gratitude, we enter a state of heart coherence. And in doing so, it makes our visioning even more potent. So go ahead and let the breath move through you like a reset button. Continue with the breath. Continue feeling the energy, the sensations, the frequency of these emotions as you call your energy back. Gently, lovingly, just pull it all back. From timelines and to-do lists, from worries and expectations. Allow it all to just come back home, right here, right now. You don't need to force presence here. Just be with it. Be with yourself. Remember that discipline doesn't mean pushing. It just means returning. And that's what you're doing now. Good. Now today, as we open up the field for our personal intention and visualization, let's tune into this question. Where am I ready to build trust with myself again? Maybe it's in the way you speak to your body. Maybe it's how you show up for your art, your work, your rest. Maybe it's simply in keeping your own word without guilt, punishment. Let yourself see a moment of self-trust in bloom. Let it be clear and kind and totally yours. Aurea teaches us that worth is not a transaction. It is yours by nature. So breathe in that truth that you are already enough, even if you never did another thing, even if today this breath is all you have to offer. And that breath, it is sacred. So hold your intention in your mind now, visualizing it all coming together in perfect timing. Beautiful. Now expand all of this outward into the collective, into a new earth. Ask yourself, what would shift if the world trusted itself again? What does a collective built on self-honor look like? And then let the vision form. Is it parents parenting from intuition instead of fear? Leaders listening before speaking? Artists creating without needing to go viral? Systems rooted in slowness, care, and repair? Trust doesn't have to be loud, it just has to be true. So send that vision, whichever one feels most true to you, whatever you want the new earth to feel like, into the quantum field now, like a thread of golden light. Let it touch hearts you'll never even meet. Let it wrap around corners of the earth where hope once faded. Let it ripple. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and close this moment today, not with pressure, but with presence. You came, you showed up, and you trusted this enough to return. Today, let that be enough. Let you be enough. Repeat after me if it feels good. I don't have to force what's true. I only have to remember it. I build trust by returning to myself. I receive because I exist in alignment. I'll meet you here again tomorrow. Same current, deeper depth, softer power. Until then, live like you're already held, because you are.